you're all fine. So in this video, we'll be seeing about Java reflection APIs. So we know that we can modify the properties and methods in a given class during the compilation time, and it is also very easy to do. But we can't change the classes or methods at the runtime. So how to overcome us that? So Java is providing us a feature called reflection, which is allowing us to modify the properties and methods of a given class during the runtime. So it is a simple technique of inspecting and modifying the objects during the runtime behavior. That object can be of either class, field, or methods. So it is implemented using an API interface, which is in Java. So why it is mainly used and where it is used. So to overcome the runtime errors, we are using this in the debugging tools, JUnit and frameworks to inspect and change the behavior at the runtime. And apart from this, we also use this in the integrated development environment, that is IDEs, such as Eclipse, NetBeans, and some test tools to debug the errors during the runtime. So what is this reflection API package considers and what it contains? It contains field, method, constructors, and modifiers. So in the field, which is used to declare a variable, that is, it may be integer, string, character, or whatever, it is used to declare the variable. Method helps us to extract the info like access modifier, method return type, and name of the method, etc. Constructor is nothing but it gives information about the class. Modifiers is nothing but it is giving the information about the specific access modifiers. So all these above classes are part of the Java Lang Reflect package. These are all the things that is considered inside this reflection API package. So what is Java Lang class objects? It is nothing but this is a class which is holding all the information and data about the classes and objects during the runtime. So this is the main class that is used for reflection. It will be providing us the class extension and the for name method and the get class method. That is nothing but sorry. So the dot class extension is nothing but the first option for us is to create an object of a class by using this extension so that we can create a test object to perform the reflection of that object, which we are having the information about this. Next one is for name, which will be taking the name of the class and argument and return to the class object. And third one is get class method. It is used as an object of the class to get the Java class object. Okay, so in the next video, we'll be seeing the superclass and access modifier and how we are going to implement this API in a simple program. Hope you're clear with this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.